You might have a great looking site with great SEO optimized content, but what if the content is not going viral? What should you do? Hi there, this is Sabbir here and I'm going to share with you a few WordPress plugins that will help your WordPress site go viral. The first one I have for you is Get Social WordPress plugin. What it does simply amazing. With Get Social WordPress plugin, you get share buttons to increase your reach and boost your traffic, pop-ups to engage with your visitors, subscribe bars to generate leads, and in-depth social analytics to understand which of your page is really performing best. I really recommend this plugin and I'm sure you will love it as well. The second one I have for you is Social Locker WordPress plugin. It will help you to drive traffic, build quality followers, and improve your website ranking. It is amazing, and this WordPress plugin will allow you to lock your most valuable site contents behind a set of social buttons until the visitor likes, share, or tweet your page. This way, you can lock any kind of content. It can be a download link, the end of your article, a promotion code, or any media source, and it is really amazing. The third one I have for you is Click to Tweet WordPress plugin. Whether you have a small or big Twitter audience, you can use this amazing plugin. The trick behind using this plugin is put a link, click to tweet alongside a code. This way the conversion rate will be much more higher and you will get your content viral, especially on Twitter. So you will generate much more traffic. Sounds cool? Now, I know this is a short video, but that's the beauty of it. It is short because those 3 WordPress plugins are effective and easy to use. You don't need a lot of WordPress plugins. Just check out those 3 WordPress plugins if you want your WordPress site go more viral. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe, like, or leave feedback about any other WordPress plugins that people should be using. Just leave a comment below. Thanks again for watching.